Hey everybody, Chris Delano here from IPD. I am making my way down to Sacramento, California from Portland, which is about an 8.5-hour drive. I'm going to attend the Davis VCOA Sacramento and Golden Gate chapter, or they call it the Golden Gate chapter for VCOA car show. That is held in Davis, California, just a little bit outside of Sacramento. Standing right here at one of my favorite places to get out and stretch my legs. I'm a little over halfway. I just got into California. That's Mount Shasta there in the right in front of me. Driving over the Siskiyou mountain range. It was raining on the Oregon side. Every time you cross over it, it just turns into beautiful blue skies. I'm excited to keep heading south on I-5 and wind around that beautiful Mount Shasta over there. But the XC70 is doing great, the V8. It's not getting the best gas mileage that I would like. Wish it could get a little bit better. But definitely the XC70 V8 is cruising. It's super comfortable. I do love the hum of the V8 with load going over the mountain passes. It's doing fantastic. So I'm really excited to get down to Davis and show this thing off and catch up with some old friends. We've been attending this show since the year 2000. We haven't been in a few years because it's really close to our own garage sale, so I haven't been able to get down there, but definitely wanted to make the trip this year with the V8 and have fun with everybody. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in a little bit. Well, good morning and welcome to sunny California. I made it to the Sacramento area last night, no problem. Obviously I was beat, so I got some sleep right away, got some food and hit the sack. Got up early this morning, detailed the car, got all the bugs off of it, and now I am headed to Davis to join up with the Golden Gate chapter and get the vendor section set up. We'll see you guys there soon. The Volvos are rolling in. The Davis Car Show VCOA meet is held in downtown Davis at this really cool city park. It just fills up with Volvos everywhere, and they are starting to pile in. The Golden Gate chapter does a fantastic job of organizing this by car model and everything. It's really great. So they gave us front row. It's very cool.